Hello guys, today we're going to do a quick little comparison between 3 firecrackers. First, you have your, like normal little, like crappy, I think it's literally called like dynamite or something like that. It's kind of stupid. But so there's this little guy, M-150. So 150, size comparison, it's a little beefier. I stumbled across this little baby, the M-5000 jumbo firecracker. 150 to 5,000. Wow. So I'm really curious as to how big this is compared to the other two. So we're going to do a quick little test between all these real quick and tell you whether or not you should really buy an M5000 or not. Maybe it's just crappy like a sparkler or something like that, Who knows? So here we go. I was hoping it wasn't going to be like that.